Changing your phone number on X is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information. Step 1. Open the X app. Launch the X app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on your profile icon or the menu option, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Account Information. In the Settings menu, look for Account or Account Information. Click on this option to access your account details. Step 4. Update phone number. Find a section labeled Phone Number. Click on it and you will be prompted to enter your new phone number. Make sure to enter it correctly. Step 5. Verify the new number. After entering your new phone number, you will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter this code in the app to confirm the change. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number will be updated on X. If you encounter any issues, consider checking the help section or contacting support for assistance.